Hello students, I am Abdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the first chapter of Economics of Class 9. The topic is the story of village Palanpur. In the previous video, we have discussed about the important point of production activity, factors of production, and important changes in farm activity. And now we are going to discuss rest of the points of this chapter. We have discussed that multiple cropping farming and use of modern farming method increase the amount of produce from the same piece of land. Due to these changes, productivity of land has increased substantially, which is known as Green Revolution. Farmers of Punjab, Haryana, and Western Uttar Pradesh were the first to try out the modern farming method in India. But there are certain demerits of modern farming methods. Our use of fertilizers, pesticides, and water is resulting into land degradation. The farmers in Punjab are facing these problems. The next factor is labor. After land, labor is the next basic factor of production. Small farmers provide their own labor, whereas medium and large farmers make use of hired labor to work on their field. There are many landless families in Palanpur which provide laborers. As the work is less for the number of laborers, they are not given minimum wages set by the government. It means most of the workers get little amount as a wages. They have no option, so they have to work in the farm of medium and large farmers' land on a little wages. Some laborers migrate to the cities. The next factor is capital. After land and labor, capital is another basic form of production. Basic factors of production. All categories of farmers require capital. Small farmers borrow from large farmers or the village money lenders or the traders who supply them various inputs for cultivation. Modern farming requires a great deal of capital. Now we have to discuss about the sale of surplus farm product. Farmers produce crops on their land by using the three factors of production, that is land, labor, and capital. They retain a part of produce for self-consumption and rest, the surplus produce, is sold in the nearby market by the farmers. The part of farm produced which is sold in the market is called marketable surplus. Small farmers have little surplus output. It is the medium and large farmers only who have substantial produce for selling in the market. And now we have to discuss about the non-farm activity done by the people of Palampur. Out of every 100 workers in the rural areas in India, only 24 are engaged in non-farm activities. There are a variety of non-farm activities in the village Palampur. The people of Palampur are engaged in dairy, small scale manufacturing, transport, etc. It means dairy, small scale manufacturing, transport, etc. fall under this category.